everyone, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video I will show you how to enable iPhone is too close screen distance alert in iOS 17 on your iPhone. Along with significant UI and under the hood updates, it also introduces small but handy updates, and the iPhone is too close screen alert is one of them. This feature alerts you if you have been viewing the screen from a very close distance for an extended period. In this feature, Apple states no official time, but if your iPhone screen is closer to less than 12 inches from your eyes for 5 or more minutes, the warning might pop up on your screen. Whenever your iPhone detects it's too close to your eyes for an extended period, a full screen alert interrupts your current task and appears on the screen asking you to maintain some distance. Only once you have moved it farther away from your face, you will see the button change color and you can tap it to resume the task at hand. The True Depth camera on the front of your iPhone detects the distance and your attention. This setting for the screen distance feature you will find under the screen time settings. To do this, first of all open the settings app on your device. Next here you will find screen time option, tap on it. After that, scrolling down and tap on the screen distance. Here, as you can see, if you are enabling the feature for the first time, you will receive an information window. Click on continue to proceed. After that, tap on the turn on screen distance button to enable it. But if you are not here for the first time, tap on the toggle to enable it easily. So that's how easily you can enable iPhone is too close screen distance alert in your iPhone with iOS 17. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.